Yeah, I got a philosophy about money that I got from a friend, which was that that money will always be. There will always be. There will always be something there, whether it's a little or a lot or problem or not. It will always be. So you take that out of the equation, then make your decision, and then put that back in.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, like is that
It's something that you've got to, I suppose, think about, one of those sort of, and then you make your own version of it.
Yeah,
in a way.
Make it your own.
Yeah,
there you go.
Yeah.
What do you mean, like print it? I'm sure that's fraud.
No, like putting like stamping your surfboard or spraying. Can you do that? Can you spray it? Can you personalize surfboards? Can you do that?
Oh yeah, people do it.
Now,
yeah. It just depends on what sort of chemicals you use, spray paints and things like that. If it causes a reaction with the fiberglass or foam, you can. If you play your cards right, you can literally set a surfboard on fire through sort of chemical reactions.
Your cards right.
And not that I've ever done that, but I have got a friend who was repairing a surfboard, used the wrong repairing materials, and literally burnt the tail end of a surfboard off.
And that's not some kind of cool surfer thing that you want to do while you're out on the water.
Not really, not unless it's some sort of Red Bull stunt that's going on.
You couldn't. The board couldn't really catch fire anyway because it's on water, or just I don't know. Could it?
Well, no,
I don't know. I don't know about stuff like that.
Yeah, magnesium burns.
I suppose if there's a submarine nearby with a torpedo aimed at you, and they blow you out of the water, you
could. Yeah, maybe. You're not worried about standing on stuff like let me give you my worries, right? Okay, so going out there. Got the surfboard and with the wetsuit on and stuff, and I'm walking out there, and I'm like, well, there's stuff lives in the sea. Stuff, I don't know, fish, creatures, I don't know, crabs, sharks and dolphins. There are sharks and dolphins here.
There's basking sharks, but they don't have any teeth.
I've surfed with one before. And you've
surfed with a shark.
Yeah. Oh yeah, basking shark. Yeah. The fin was massive. At first, I didn't know what it was. You see it and you think, "What on earth is that?" And then it's someone to confirm that it is, in fact, a basking shark. They are massive. But also surfing solo sometimes. Just a slight change of subject. But surfing solo sometimes, at Lossie here. I've been out by myself, and your subconscious, for some reason, it puts the Jaws theme tune in your head. So you sat there, your legs dangling in the water, and all of a sudden it's did it, and you get a little anxious, and there's no waves to take you in, So you're
just like sitting out there by yourself.
Yeah,
having a little panic attack.
Yeah, shouting for help for someone to call the Coast Guard.
Surf lifesavers, never surf alone.
Okay.
Always be safe in the water.
Never happened before,
we don't encourage that.
No, you've got to be careful.
Oh yeah.
Right. Yeah, but you surfed with a shark.
Oh yeah.
And you I just find that frightening. Personally.
I mean, basking sharks. I mean, as long as you don't.
Did you say shark? You said sharks have no teeth?
Yeah, right? Basking shark doesn't have teeth. They eat plankton, so they just.
Wait, see, my knowledge of this stuff is zero. Right, basking. There's a shark that has no teeth.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll show you. It's bigger than a great white.
Oh yeah, what was it? Did somebody say?
But it's got no
12-foot plus shark.
It eats plankton, so it's a great big. It's like a.
It doesn't matter. It's got no teeth. It can still jump on you.
You know, some of the is it a jaguar that has sort of, I think it's an XK, the car. I don't know if you're familiar. It has a great big sort of grill at the front,
right?
And that's what it kind of looks like. I'll get a picture of it for the phone here. Yeah, but the basking shark, they eat plankton.
No recorded injuries from sharks.
There has been a shark attack.
There's portobello sharks.
But people get eaten by sharks in other countries. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, sorry for the UK.
Oh my, that could swallow you whole.
Yeah, it could. All right.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't have teeth. It could use you like a lollipop or something.
Also, dolphins have been sort of surfing with us, and they've been really close, as in 5 meters close, and that's quite terrifying, especially when you're so exposed. I know they're intelligent, if you see harm, but
do you know that? oh, that's a dolphin. That's kind of instantly, because you only see like the fin, or you don't, or I don't know.
Yeah, dolphins instantly.
Oh, because they're jumping out of the water,
and they're together as well. There's a few of them. You know? I do have a friend that was attacked by a shark. It's Spey Bay.
What?
That was 2011. So Google Spey Bay shark attack. It'll come up. I'm not kidding. And read the article.
Mind what the local said to you the day after.
What's that?
What?
Boy that you met in the car park the day after. You're talking about it. Can't say that. Can't say the actual words, but it followed the lines of, that was a dolphin, nay a shark, you silly sausage.
But it was a shark.
Oh, yeah. They reckon it was a maca or a port beagle shark. It wasn't an attack as such. It was more of an encounter.
Yeah. So port beagles are relatively common. There've been no reports of attacking humans except from oil rig divers that are repairing. They've been a little bit territorial, but no bites. But their mouths are so small and narrow at the front that they eat small fish, mackerel and things. They've never been known to. No shark attacks in Britain yet.
So unless you've got small hands, you're okay.
You're all right.
Yeah. I'm slightly relieved.
Although the other thing that was a worry is orca and blackfish, killer sharks, killer whales, sorry. They've been spotted all along this coastline. Less than a mile off Aberdeen, same northeast of Fintore, and the ribs
they don't attack people, though, do they? Not in the wild.
I don't know if I feel comfortable sitting.
Have you ever stood on... Student? Is that a word? Stood. I've just created a word. Student. Student's not a word. My God. Have you ever stood on something in the water? Because I'm always worried that when I was out there, I would stand on a crab or a fish or something.
You get weaver fish, which are sort of flat fish that go on the seabed, and they can be in shallow water, and they have like stingy things on their back.
Okay.
So you can stand on that, and that's apparently very painful. I've never done it before because I always wear boots.
Okay.
But if you're barefooted and you stand on one of these things, it can hurt for an hour.
And the special wetsuit boot things.
Yeah, they've got soles. They've got soles, so they're maybe several millimeters thick.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's jellyfish as well.
Jellyfish here.
Yeah. We get the bad type and the good type. So the good type that don't sting you.
How do you know the difference?
The colour and just the patterns.
Yeah. So the only stingy jellyfish I've come across has been the lion's mane jellyfish.
Yeah, and I think they're like a browny kind of form.
Brown or dark red, and they call the lion's mane because they've got this frill all the way around it, and their tentacles can be quite long. They've got, I think, it was a bee sting. That was the closest somebody said. So not dangerous unless, of course, you take a reaction or anaphylaxis to a jellyfish marine sting. Okay,
so if I'm out there in the water and I see brown jellyfish, it's probably not good. But is there a colour that's okay? Or?
Yeah, say they're like kind of clear and with blue and purple on the inside of them, and they're quite weak. You can literally pick them up in your hands and throw them.
Don't throw them.
It's probably not a good idea. Just scare me
the
senseless. Something like that. I've got enough problems when I see seaweed in the water.
Yeah.
I'm like, what is that? It's an octopus?
Yeah, that seaweed, yeah. You got to take it home and cook it.
Yeah, it's good for you apparently. No, certain kinds.
Yeah, well, they make soaps and things.
Yeah. There's a lot of companies up the north of Scotland that make a lot of products out of it.
Yeah. There's loads of it.
Yeah, there's enough, isn't there? There's business. There's a business opportunity for somebody.
As long as it's not over forested, as it were.
Yeah. I don't think you can do that here. I don't know.
Well, with a bit of luck, because you know what some folk are like. They'll just take it all if they could.
I heard that the North Sea has got the world's largest coral reef. Obviously, the Great Barrier Reef is very famous because it's colourful, the marine life. Yeah. Actually, we've got a bigger one, but yet it's so deep, it's dark. The coral itself is brown and not colourful, that it doesn't have the same fame. But it's coral, it's marine, it's life.
Wow.
I didn't know that until recently.
No,
Sounds
I didn't
fantastic.
I'll need to run that past
We also have the world's fattest dolphins.
Yeah,
well, they need that because it's so cold.
They don't have 5 mil wetsuits like us, so they need that extra.
Scottish people are quite voluptuous, It's not because we're unhealthy, it's because we need it.
Yeah, absolutely. I've always thought that.
Yeah, and that's a fact. You just cannot argue with that.
I wouldn't dare.
We wouldn't argue with you, James.
No.